Hello everyone! Today I want to show you something super nice, shiny, easy and quick to do craft. It's a diamond coloring set or 5D painting, whatever. I've chosen most beautiful in my opinion. Any sets included diamonds of different colors and shapes, special pencil, and of course a wonderful picture. In my case it's a bookmark with a peacock. All diamonds sorted by the numbers in individual wrapped. Same numbers will be looking in the picture. You can find the numbers on the back, so shiny like really jewelry. All diamonds sorted by the numbers in individual wrapped. Same numbers will be looking in the picture. And also we have a wax for a pencil and tray for the diamonds. We will be using our magic pencil like this. Just grab some wax inside and our diamonds will stick on it. See? Nothing special. Okay, now we're ready. Let's get started. I want to start with the back number 8. Most beautiful diamond there. Let's put some on the tray. You see? Look at this. Look nice and shiny. So now I'll stick it on the same number on a picture. Now I want to use some different color. I like this. This time I will choose number 1. We'll cut it back by the corner like this and put some diamonds on the same tray. It will be just routine work. Grab the diamonds one by one and stick it on the right place. Don't forget to grab some more wax when you need it. I will finish my work by decoration like this. I have a tassel in my set. Let's try to use my tweezer and voila, it's ready. Use any available way and moment to create a beauty. See you soon.